Hi everyone, today I am sharing my updated routine for taking neat, efficient notes that actually help you study. Whatever it's for school or university, this system will change the way you learn. My processes start the day before. I skim the upcoming topics to get an overview. Then I write a quick keyword checklist. This ensures I don't miss any central concept during the lecture. I prefer grid paper because it keeps my small handwriting organized. For pens, I use erasable ink. It's a lifesaver for keeping pages mess free without using whiteout. Also manually draw a wide margin if the paper doesn't have one. The key is a consistent system. I use new paragraphs for every new concept, bullet points for supporting details, arrows for specific examples, central boxes for math calculation or formulas. Color coding use a colored pen for key terms while writing. It helps with memory retention. Don't rush complex drawings during class. Leave blank spaces for diagrams. I draw them later at home using the textbook for reference. This acts as a great active revision step. Later that day, I review the notes and check off my initial list. I use the margin for extra details the professor mentioned. Most importantly, I write a brief summary at the bottom of the page. This is what I will read right before exam day. Note taking isn't just about making things look pretty, it's about making information digestible. Find a system that works for you and stay concept happy studying.